Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 85. A scoutmaster is preparing his troop for their annual fishing expeditions. He surveys each of his scouts to find out how many fishing poles they own. What is the mode of the number of poles owned? So we have here is the mode. The mode means a frequency that happen the most. Okay, so we have the mode of the number of pole owner. Number of pole owner. So we have this number of scouts owning, okay, the pole. So that is how we looking at. You see that we have two columns of numbers, right? And then the answer choice is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's kind of like confusing, like which one we're looking at. So remember, they already asked, right? The mode of the numbers of poles owned. So what just mean we're looking for this column right here. And after that, we look for the mode, right? But then we have to answer in what? In the category it belongs to. So this one is what is the answer will be, right? So to make this easy, you see A, B, C, D. You can have this is category A, B, C, and D. See that? So what happened is we don't even need to looking at that last three. And the most is the frequency is mostly happen, right? So the highest numbers show up here will be the mode. Okay, so correspond to that numbers is choice A. Have 7 team members or scout will own 0 poles. They don't have any poles. Okay. And if we want to represent it on the graph or the diagram, you can just draw it, right? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one is pole. Okay, and then how many people have 0 pole? They have 7. So let's represent the dot. Six, 7. Yes. So one for the one post owner, you will have how many people? 5. Okay. So 2 posts, you have 6 people. Okay. So for 3 poles, you have 3 people. If I line up the people, have like the number of the pole correspond to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just represent it like that. No one have 4 poles. Okay. And then 1 have 5 poles, and then 2 have 6 poles. So if I represent the dot at the person who stand there, get on the line correspond to the number of pole they own, then you will have the graph look like that, right? So the mode is the most category that the frequency is the highest. Okay, so here you have 7 people. See that is like the highest right there. Okay, this one is 6. Okay, so this one the highest was 7. So 7 is the mode, right? But then the category is 10 is 0. So that's why we have to answer that as 0. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.